Everyone, today is my first video, so please bear with me. Today I'm gonna show you how to switch back from your Samsung Galaxy S8 remote control to a normal TV remote control. My TV is LG. So first step, you have to press, go on your home screen and press on the TV remote control app. Mine is this one, pressed. So is this one came up now. So I have to go on the top here to this one, press on that one. And here we go, this come up now, like live TV. So I go into my TV network is a Virgin. So I press on Virgin. So just press on whatever network you guys got. So for mine is Virgin, so I press on Virgin. So there you go. Is that all done? So hope it helped. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.